Here's a list of the top 10 facts, statistics, and trends related to home EV chargers. The number of electric vehicles EV on the road is rapidly increasing, leading to a growing demand for home EV chargers. By the end of 2020, there were over 10 million EV globally. Home EV chargers provide convenience and cost savings for EV owners. According to a study by the U.S. Department of Energy, charging an EV at home can be up to 5 times cheaper compared to public charging stations. The availability of government incentives and rebates for home EV charger installations is contributing to their popularity. Various countries and states offer financial incentives, tax credits, or grants to promote the adoption of EV and the installation of home charging infrastructure. Smart home integration is becoming a prominent trend in the EV charging industry. Home EV chargers are increasingly equipped with smart features such as Wi-Fi connectivity and mobile apps, allowing users to monitor and control the charging process remotely. The power output of home EV chargers varies, with Level 1 and Level 2 chargers being the most common options. Level 1 chargers typically provide around 1.4 to 2.4 kilowatts kW of power, while Level 2 chargers can range from 3.6 kW to 19.2 kW, enabling faster charging times. Home EV chargers are available in different configurations. Ensure safe and proper installation. Need a professional installation of your EV charger at home or business? Visit us at www.santaclaritiefchargers.com to get a free quote.